Why do 90% of kids struggle with cooking? Not Cameron. Let's dive into his remarkable journey. Cameron's journey began in his grandmother Lavonne's kitchen. At just 7 years old, he was already whipping up meatballs and mastering mashed potatoes. Now at 7, he's got bread baking down pat and his fruit trays are legendary. But it's not just about the food. It's the bond he shares with his grandmother that makes his story special. Lavonne has always said, cooking with love is the secret ingredient. And Cameron's got that in spades. Their kitchen is a place of laughter, learning, and a sprinkle of flour on the nose. And guess what? Cameron is even mentioned in Lavonne's cookbook, Lavonne's Kitchen: Learning to Cook with Love. So next time you step into your kitchen, channel a bit of Cameron's enthusiasm and Lavonne's wisdom. Who knows? You might just cook up something amazing too. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best meals are made with love. Happy cooking!